Hi there, this is Lucas from UQ Army. In this video, we'll go over a type of QR code that will help you attract prospects and convert them into loyal customers, the lead generation QR code. Starting a company can be tough, more so considering the fact that it needs clients to strengthen it. That is why lead generation is important. And by using a QR code, you can boost your networking in no time. Basically, a lead generation QR code requests the name and email of the person who scans it. In return, they can access a special content in the form of a file. You can upload a catalog, a coupon, a sneak peek, or whatever you want to entice people to provide their information. You can then put that information into good use by creating a mailing campaign to keep updated the people who submitted their details. All businesses can use lead generation QR codes. Not only are they a great way to promote your business, but also to get feedback, for example. It all comes down to how you want to plan your mailing strategy. Whichever it is, you will have the opportunity to engage with potential customers and convert them into loyal ones. If you want to create a lead generation QR code, all you need to do is register to UQ Army, click Create QR, and select the type. It's as simple as that. Well, that's it for now. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like, share it with your colleagues, leave us your comments or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more videos about QR codes. See you later, and take care.